Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your account PIN or password if you've forgotten it on GIGABYTE G7. And there are gonna be two different scenarios depending on whether you're logged in with a Microsoft account or with local account. So to distinguish that, you need to click on I forgot my PIN. And if you don't have this button, first enter the PIN, any that you can think of. Try thinking, maybe you'll just find the solution for it, maybe you'll remind yourself. But if you can't, then just enter anything until I forgot my PIN or I forgot my password appears. Once you click on it, it'll load for a moment and probably you'll need to click on that again. And then if it shows Microsoft account here at the top, then you're logged in with a Microsoft account. And first I'm going to talk about that. Later on I'm going to move on to the local account scenario. So here I just need to enter my Microsoft account password, which if you don't remember, you can just simply click on email code to your email account and you'll just enter the code from that email and you'll get to the further step. But I already know the password, so I'm gonna simply type it in. Then I'm gonna select the method of identity verification. I'm selecting email, and on my email inbox there should be the code from the Microsoft delivered. So yes, I have found it on my other device, and let's type that in. If you don't have access to your email, then I hope that you have your phone number assigned to the Microsoft account. So in that case, you can simply verify with the phone number. Now click on enter and click on continue. And here you can set a new PIN. You can also include letters and symbols if you want. And make sure you'll remember it this time. Then click on OK and you'll be logged in shortly. And now let's talk about the local account thing. So if you are logged in with a local account, it will ask you 3 security questions that you've selected and answered while setting up your password. And if you can answer them correctly, then you'll just be able to change the password. If you can't, then the only way to restore your laptop is to install Windows from USB. There's a video on it on our channel. I've recorded it and you can watch it. It'll erase all the data on the laptop, unfortunately, but at least you'll have access to, you'll be able to use the laptop, so that's great. And yeah, you should just simply do it with that method. And and that's why I always, when I'm talking about setting up a password, I'm saying that the security questions should be answered truthfully, because if you answer truthfully, you just won't forget the answers. And if you make them up and don't write the answers down, then you'll probably forget them. And now let's also, if you weren't able to restore it with the Microsoft account, then also you should install Windows from USB. And I hope that video helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.